In this video, I'm going to show you a few methods people use to view Instagram stories without immediately appearing in the viewer list. If you're curious about how these techniques work, then keep watching. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. One popular method is known as the half swipe trick. To try this, open a story that is right next to the story you want to preview. Once the story is open, press and hold your finger on the screen. Then slowly swipe toward the story you want to see without fully opening it. As long as you keep holding your finger on the screen and don't release it, you may be able to preview part of the next story. Keep in mind that this only provides a limited preview and may not work in all versions of Instagram. Another method some users talk about is viewing a story and then blocking the account afterward. To do this, you would watch the story normally, visit the person's profile, tap the three dots, and select block. The idea behind this method is that blocking the account may remove your name from their story viewers list. However, Instagram's features and policies can change at any time, so results may vary. Afterward, you can unblock the account if you choose to. And that's it. Those are a couple of methods people commonly discuss for viewing Instagram stories without immediately appearing in the viewer list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.